I'm Jack Rogers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a broken glass cake. For this I'm going to use some black cocoa cake, some ice malt for the broken glass, and some of this red raspberry jam as the blood. Let's get started. I want the center of this to be filled with raspberry jam that I dyed red so that when you cut into the cake it looks like blood's pouring out. So to do this I'm just going to use this circle cutter to cut out the center of only 2 out of my 3 layers. You don't want to do it out of the 3rd one because that's going to hold all the jam inside. Let's layer. This is just some regular raspberry jam. I dyed it with a bit of red food coloring just to make it look more like blood, and now I'm just gonna pour it in here and then place this top layer on top. And now we are going to crumb coat this, as I have started. I forgot to say. This cake is fully iced. I'm gonna place this in the fridge. While it's in the fridge, we're gonna work on our glass shards. Or ice malt. No. My bad. We're gonna work on our ice malt shards or glass shards. Screwed that up. My bad. Wow, it's heavy. So here is the ice malt, and here is a hammer. Yes, I washed this. It's just a little rusted. I washed it. I promise. I'm not gonna do that. Even if I didn't, you can't really eat this stuff because it's so hard. It just gets stuck in your teeth. I know you're asking, oh, what does ice malt taste like? I tried it. It tastes like nothing. It kind of tastes like sugar, but then you start to chew it and it just gets stuck in every tooth. So, just gonna break. Oh, that was so cool. Whoa. For the blood, I'm gonna take some of this piping gel. Now we'll take our food coloring that we're not gonna get on the counter, or my mom is gonna get really mad. And we're just gonna add a bit. Blood kind of has like a blue undertone, veins. So I'm just gonna add 3 of blue. Perfect. It looks really dark on set, but trust me, as you can see on this little shard, it actually looks perfect. It's out. Be careful with this piping gel because it's white. Don't want to get it ruined already before you even put anything on it. First things first, we're gonna find the good side. Every cake has a good side. It's like people. Thank you so much for watching me make this cake today. Turned out super cool. Got in a lot of Snapchats about it. But make sure to follow my Instagram, like this video, and subscribe. I'll see you next Sunday.